Ready, go.
Psalms 130. Praise ye the Lord. Praise all ye servants of the Lord. Praise the name of the Lord. Bless the name of the Lord from this time forth and forevermore. From the rising of the sun until the going down of the same, the Lord is to be praised. The Lord is high above all nations, and his glory above the heavens. Who is like unto the Lord our God, who dwelleth on high, who humbleth himself to behold the things that are in heavens and in the earth. He raiseth up the needy and the poor out of the dust, and lifteth the needy out of the dung, that he may set him with princes, even with the princes of his people. His name is to be praised.
You make it. You make it. You make it. The
He
barren.
maketh the barren woman